What's up, people? In the last video we talked about your hyper converting sales copy, but in this video we're going to be talking about running the ads using Ads Manager. Okay, now when you want to run ads, apart from the copy, apart from the ad creative, you need to have an objective. You need to have a campaign objective. What exactly do you want to achieve? What is a single sale of your product or services worth to you? Is it maybe you want to be able to pay your rent on time, pay your staff, or you want to have a good investment for expansion? Now you have this product, let's say a chain watch, or maybe you have a health product you want to sell, and in case you missed any of the sales, you will lose maybe your ranking in your organization or whatever. So what is it worth to you? Don't just do it because others are doing it. What is a single sale of your products or services worth to you? Is it worth giving your family a good vacation? So let it be, because what really makes this stuff we do work, it's not just about the mechanics, which is doing stuff, but the psychology behind it, why you are doing it. The mechanics is how to do stuff, while the psychology is how you do it, is why you do it. Okay? So when it comes to, everybody may know the two, but the reason why some of us are generating results through ad strategies and the ad campaigns will run is because we know why we do what we do. So know why you do what you do. So the first thing in this particular video is how to use Ads Manager. And what I have here will work both for the mobile and also for the PC, or doing this from your Ads Manager on desktop. So for those who are using apps, you can open your Ads Manager. First of all, you need to download this, like I said that in the very first video. Okay, now open the Ads Manager. Now select campaign objectives. There are many campaign objectives. You have the website traffic, you have the page likes, you have engagement, you have even for lead ads. All of these, they all play their own role. They play their role. You need to ensure that you are not choosing the wrong objective, because at the end of the day you will get the result for the objective you chose. That's why I started by asking you, what is a single sale of your product or service worth to you? So if you are looking for post engagement in the campaign objective, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 major objectives you can achieve using the Ads Manager app. You have the post engagement, which helps you to get more people to see and engage with your post, or video views. That's, you promote your video to get people's attention. Maybe you have a cool video of what your product does, or maybe you have a campaign you're running, or consulting, or masterclass, or webinar, and you want your students to know this before time. You can run ads around that. Or maybe you're looking for more students in your community. Or then we also have another objective called website traffic. I use this most of the time to pull people to my website, or maybe to a WhatsApp group. Okay, then you have the reach, to help you show your ad to maximum number of people. That's the reach campaign objective. Reach spells for REACH. Okay, we also have messages. This is the kind of campaign objective where you are looking for people. You're looking for people to send you a direct message, either via Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram direct. Okay, this is one of those things you should know when you are running an ad using that marketing objective. The campaign objective is also known as marketing objective. All right, page likes. Of course, you just want people to see and engage with your page. Then you also have event responses. For maybe those running physical events in a location, you can get event responses. You can get more people to see and respond to your event. Okay, when you have your campaign objectives settled, the next thing is you need to select your ad creative. Your ad creative is the image you created for these ads, and then if you follow the first video, you will understand better. And the next thing is your hyper converting sales copy, which includes the headline and the body. I mentioned in the last video 4 key things, the 4 P's of a hyper converting sales copy. I talked about the promise, I talked about the picture, I talked about the proof, and I talked about the pitch. When you have these 4 things in place, you're promising them, you are painting a picture, you are proving it with the proofs, and you are pitching the sale in a smart way. This is the 4 P's that makes a hyper converting sales copy. There are so many copywriting formulas, but I'm just telling you this one in this video because we are talking about MFAs. You don't want to talk too much. MFAs are straight to the point. Okay, straight to the point. You don't want to talk so much. You don't want to. You just cut the crap. Cut the crap. Okay. Then the next thing is to set the address of your sales page or funnel. When you are running ads using the ads manager, you will see a provision where you will put in the link to where you want to send the traffic. And if you don't have a website, you can do a WhatsApp group where people can join in. Okay. All right, or maybe a sales page, a landing page. You paste the link in there. Like I talked about website traffic as one of the campaign objectives or marketing objective. It is in that particular ad style that you put in a link to send people to a WhatsApp group or an external website from Facebook. Okay, you are trying not to sell on Facebook. You are moving them into a funnel where you can engage better with them. And this is, guys, this is so awesome. If you are able to pull people off the platform on Facebook to a place where you can build a community around them, you can sell to them your amazing offers. I mean, you are going to have great things in the future, because when you launch stuff, these are the very first people that will see what you have, and you can create that audience. You can now create an audience using the app. The next phase of running ads with the ads manager is to create a new audience. And when you create a new audience, you set an audience name to it so that you know that this audience was for your new arrivals. This audience was for your giveaway. This audience was for your party time, whatever. You just have something you are creating for this audience, okay? And then when you are done setting the name of the audience, you can now go to detailed targeting. And the first thing on detailed targeting is demographics. Demographics has to do with the location, the age, and the lifestyle of the people you are going to be relating with. And I'm currently doing this from Nigeria, so you can include or exclude any location, places like Lagos, Kaduna, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Anambra, Ondo, Kano, Kwara states. Any of these states, you can use them. Okay, and then you can also set the age range depending on what you are selling. Okay, don't go for the age bracket that I'm not going to buy. I mean, from today to tomorrow, you're not going to buy. A friend of mine said, if you're selling things for kids, don't target 13-year-old. They may not even have the money to afford it. Target their parents. Okay, target their parents. The age range has to do with the demographics of the people you want to reach out to, the age bracket. There, you are sure these people have what it takes to buy what you have. Okay, then you have like their lifestyle, their relationship. Are they married or single? Maybe you have something for single moms, or you have something for those singles, really singles, not people who have been through marriage. Okay, then you can look at financial level. You can also use financial level in doing a focused audience targeting. This focused audience targeting, you can use like people who earn above $100, people who earn above $500, or people who earn about $1,000. Just like that. Education, people who are graduates, people who are like engineer graduates, medical graduates, or something like that. Or life events like people who attended so and so conference. And you can also target people who are parents. You are selling a coding class for kids, you need to target their parents, because the kids are not going to buy, it's their parents that will buy. The next thing here is the psychographics, like the way your customers think. How do they think on mobile? Now, when you talk about how they think on mobile, you need to look at their interests. People who are foodies, people who like food, they like drinks, they like technology. People like me like technology. Okay. Shopping, people like shopping. Yeah, ladies who are so obsessed with shopping. Shopping! And fashion. Fitness, hobbies, people who are in that category, you can target them. Now, behaviors, people maybe who just celebrated their 3 years anniversary, digital activities or meetups, mobile device users like Android users, or any other one. You have people who are interested in politics, you can target them. Travels, people who just traveled or were just coming back from a travel, you can target them. Alright? And then you can also look at people interested in soccer. Okay? Now, depending on the products or services you are selling and what a single sale of that product or service is worth to you, ensure that you select the right demographics and the right psychographics. And then when it comes to budget and placing order, when you get to budget and order, just look at what it is worth to you. If you are expecting to sell something at 100K, you should be budgeting at least 20%. 20K can go in to sell that product, because once you sell it and your profit is like 50K or 45K, then you are making your money, and with that 20K you can sell like 3 or 4 of it. That's about 400K. And when you are spending 20K out of 400K, you still have about 380. I mean, that's great. That's great. So far, you do a good converting copy and you have a good ad creative. Your budget shouldn't bother you. Don't say like, Facebook is going to take my money. Facebook is going to take my money. I mean, I spent like some people come to my inbox and they're like, Danny, I've spent everything. I'm not getting any results. Your budget comes after you've done a good psychographics, demographics, and you selected the right marketing objective. You have a good ad creative, you have a good copy, okay, and you are sending them to the right place. Don't go finding them in the WhatsApp group when you sent them to your website. Okay, that's one thing about the detailed. Now the demographics and psychographics is where the detailed targeting is explained. You try as much as possible to target the right demographics and the right psychographics. Then your budget should now follow suit depending on what you want to do. And then you place your order based on whether you want to start immediately or you can start later. Maybe you want to start running on Sunday evening or Monday morning, so that through the week you are engaging. Boom, 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 boom. You're engaging your customers. Okay. Then you can finally go to delivery section and set your ad charge to link click. You want to be charged only when people click the link. Like I said, guys, Facebook is going to spend your money if you place it before them. Okay, then finally you review the order, save it as drafts. If you are not yet sure, you need to pray about it or you need to still maybe check it over again. Then just review the order and place order. Let the order start coming in. How much are you selling this? How much are you selling that? Once you are done putting this ad out, you now have to do the thing. Do the thing means you need to engage with this audience and sell to them the exact thing they want to buy. And the last thing for this particular video is how to add funds to your ads manager app. Some people are built like from an e-wallet. Some others are built after they run the ad. You click on add or pay now, based on what kind of payment engagement you have with Facebook. I run an advertising agency, Danozone Digital Services. So I Facebook doesn't like tell me how much I'm going to pay. What I do is whatever I want to pay for a particular ad, I set it. So I don't get to start owing Facebook like, I saw we were at this business summit and one guy opened up his Facebook app and I looked in and I saw he was practically owing Facebook almost 150k or plus. I was like, wow, guy, how did it happen? How did we get here? I see some of that. I've been seeing others, who have something like that, but I've never seen anybody who was owing that kind of amount. And what he was asking me is, Danny, where am I going to see the money to pay this? I'm like, the same way you made money through the ads, that's the same way you're going to pay it. Good or good. So you open Ads Manager, click on the menu icon. That's if you're using the app. You go click on billing, click on add or pay now, and then put in the money there. You can also change your payment methods to either MasterCard or Visa card, depending. Then for those using laptops, once you get into the business manager, business.facebook.com opens up your business manager. You go to billing. When you go to billing, you can either add funds or pay the one you are owing. That's what we're talking about. So in the next video, I'm going to be wrapping it up with Business Suite and some other things. Maybe it's not going to be wrapped up in the next video, but I'm just going to show you more things that will help you in running mobile friendly apps. Ads on mobile, the best thing.